How much to repair that dashboard? I don't think so.
Oh hell, I can fix that. Honey! Can you bring me a Band-Aid, please?
Alright guys, today we got a 2013 Challenger with a Hemi and a 6-speed, just the way God intended. And as you can see, it's a really nice car. It's actually my dad's. And we're gonna get in here and do a little work on this interior, because as you can see right there, the dashboard is peeled up above that vent, and it really just looks like a big old pile of dog crap that someone stepped in. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Let's get wrenching. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do, obviously, is get the vent out. Now, these normally just pop in, and of course, we can get in here and under and behind this thing pretty easily, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Just kind of reach in there and grab it and pull it out. There we go. It's out. And now we're going to kind of tuck a towel or something like that in here. I've got one that I use as a grease rag, because the adhesive that we're going to be using, we don't want to get all over anything that we don't want it on. So we're going to tuck this in here and try to cover up as much of the dashboard and the console as we can. Alright, that'll do for that. It's tucked in there good, it's not going anywhere. Alright, and what we're going to do, and you can see what this happens, this is just lifted and the adhesive is gone off of it, so we're going to put some new stuff in. Alright, and what we're going to be using today is contact cement. Now, if you've used this product before and haven't had good results, it's probably because you weren't using it right, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do so. So we're going to go ahead and get it opened up here. We're going to take our little paintbrush, dab it in, and slather it up in there. It's this thin, even coats. We're going to put it on the plastic, and we're going to put it on the vinyl. And the ticket here, guys, is just to, once you put it on, you have to let it set for about 10 or 15 minutes. It'll get stringy and tacky. It'll kind of have a glossy sheen to it. And then we're going to come out and do one more coat and let that one set. And then pretty much we should just be able to press this thing back on there and it'll hold forever and ever. So anyway, there's coat one. We're going to let that dry in for about 10 or 15 minutes. Come back and do another one, and I'll get back to you. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes, so at this point in time, yeah, it's just what we want. It's tacky, it's got a little sheen to it, so we're ready to go ahead and put our second coat on. So let me get my can of stuff opened up here, and we're going to go ahead and apply a second coat of contact cement to it. Let that dry in, and then we'll be ready to make this happen. And again, we're applying it to both surfaces, the plastic of the dashboard and the vinyl that we're going to be tacking back down. So, and I'm trying to work it way up under there. Really get it on good. So that when we stick it down, we get a nice even deal here. Alright guys, again, this is tacky. I can feel that. So what I've got here is just a little piece of white, like MDF stuff that's not going to hurt the dashboard, and a couple of spring clamps. So we're just going to set that on top and go ahead and clamp this down. Whoops. There we go. Alright, that looks pretty good. We're going to leave that to set for about 15 or 20 minutes and see what happens. Alright, so we've let this set, I don't know, about a half hour or so. So let's just see what we got here. Take our clamps off. Look at that. Beautifully flat and smooth. Let's go ahead and put the vent back in. So we're just going to slot that here. And there you have it, guys. $600 job at the upholstery shop. We did it for 1 penny's worth of contact cement. And I said, what a meteoric difference that made. All right, guys, there we have it. Again, the upholstery shop wanted $600 to do this job. We did it for about 1 cent's worth of contact cement and approximately an hour of our time, most of which was just waiting for the contact cement to tack up. So, guys, I would really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, hitting that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and in the description box, I'll put the links to our Facebook page and our email if you want to drop us a line. Guys, till next time, this is Chris for Busted Knuckle DIY, saying keep wrenching.